Have you ever had pants that need to be hemmed? Numerous times, I've been given pants that do not fit me at all. They're most of them too big or they drag me down. So the only way to fix it is to hem them. I will show you now how to hem your pants. First of all, we are going to see how much we need to fold. Now that you have an idea of the desired length, fold the pant leg upward and adjust occasionally to get the correct length. Where you do the one pant leg, do to the other. Adjust as necessary. Okay. Now that we have folded the jeans, stick about 2 to 4 pins around the folded area of the pants, front and back. While we are pinning, make sure not to get hurt or make an accident or mess up any of the lines while you are pinning. You want to make sure pinning as straight as possible so you don't end up with something ends up being crooked at the end of it. Now, arrive at the sewing machine and pass the thread we'll be using for the jeans through all 5 hoops. This part is very tricky since you're passing by many loops and twisting your hands in many different ways. Around the end, pass the thread through the needle to secure it. Now, align the folded pair of jeans under a needle to begin sewing. Now before we start stitching, make sure to keep the pants aligned using the zipper foot to aid and sewing closer to the border of the original hem. You want to make sure to grab the pant legs with both hands as we're using the machine. One hand is pulling the pant leg and the other hand is stretching it as well as making sure it stays aligned. Following, sew all the way around removing the pins until we get to the side seams. We will manually operate the machine with the hand wheel until the side seams are stitched, if we encounter the needle getting stuck. This is important because the side seams are thicker than anything else, and if we try in those areas, we most definitely break the needles or cause knots. After stitching all around, trim off the extra material by 1/2 inch, and make sure you get good scissors because if you have bad ones, it will take years to cut off. Then, return to the sewing machine to zigzag the raw, efficient trim excess material to keep it from fraying. If not done, later on the pants could dismay. After we have zigzagged the edge of the raw material, fold it back to its original side. Finally, bring out the ironing board and iron and place the jeans in a flat position. After we have ironed, then we are done. The jeans are completely ready to be used and worn. This is the final result. These jeans are ready to be worn. They look new and we can't even tell that they've been sewn.